Hi, Greg Monk from Wacker Neuson, standing in front of the ST31, the smaller sibling of the ST50. Key feature of the ST31 is the modern electronic engine that is fully compliant to all the emission standards without a DPF. Very important feature for operational purposes, cost saving and longevity of the machine. Very important also feature is our thermal protection, extremely well cooled engine, and we can fully operate in temperatures up to 45 degrees without any derating of the unit or any derating of the engine. Again, as I was saying, all the same features, all the same safety features. It's just a smaller version of the ST50. And as always, remember our 5-year, 5,000 hour warranty. That's Wacker Neuson, all it takes.